This might just be the coolest clock I've ever seen. Today I'm going to be reviewing Vivilumens sunrise alarm clock. This is really cool what it can do. What it actually does is 15 minutes before you wake up, it simulates a sunrise. So it starts cycling through lights just in the background next to your nightstand or wherever. And then when the alarm goes off, you've got 15 different sounds that you can choose from to wake you up. There's 2 alarms on here. And what's also nice is it's got 10 natural sounds on here. So at night, you can listen to those sounds. Let me show you what those are. Really easy to access on top of here. There's your nature. I'll pull this up here. There's fire. There's like nighttime crickets. Water in a creek. There's a heavy rain. And then now this is actually the alarm going off now. So I set the alarm so you could hear it. This is just one of the sounds or songs that you can wake up to. There's 15 different ones. It does really well on Amazon. Not only is it an Amazon choice, it's got 4.6 stars and 100 plus of these were bought last month. So it does well. I'm not seeing that these are getting returned. So if you're looking for kind of an interesting, better way to wake up, check out this clock. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.